So here is how to time block your entire week using AI. In this video, we'll be using reclaim.ai. So before we start, if you want to try out Reclaim for free, you can click on my link down in the description. So as you can see, we're currently in the Reclaim website. Over here on the top, you can see all of these sections like product, solutions, resources, enterprise, and pricing. So let's go over to pricing. Over here, you can view all the plans that they offer, starting with Light, Starter, Business, and Enterprise. You can also switch between monthly and yearly plans. So now, let's click on Login on the top. If you don't have an account, just click on my link. So as you can see, while signing up, you can connect with your calendar. So here, we have the option to connect with Google. So I'll click on it and then select Continue. On this page, you can choose to turn on My Assistant, but I will skip it for now. On the next page, you need to tell them about yourself. So choose your department of work. After that, select your role and the size of your company, then click on Finish. You will then be redirected to the next page. Give it some time to load up. And as you can see, we're now in the main dashboard. Over here, we have sections like Planner, Meetings, where you can have recurring meetings or one-offs, and then we have Scheduling. You can use this to keep your schedules organized. Then we have Insights. This is where you'll be able to view all the insights, stats, and recaps of your activities. So for now, let's head over to Planner. And on the top right, click on Create. After that, you can see all of these sections that you can choose from. You have Events, Tasks, Agents, and Scheduling. Let's select Habits from Agents. After that, you will get to see this pop-up where you can see a lot of habit options you can choose from. Just scroll through the options and choose whichever one that you want. For example, take a walk. So as you can see, it's now selected. So now let's click on Edit Event. So over here, you can change the name of your event and then select a start time and also an end time. After that, you can also set the repeat option by choosing according to your preference. Just click on it and choose from the options. So here, once you're done, you can click on Update. And here on Agent Rules, you can also click on Edit Rules to make changes. And as you can see, the habit has been added to the calendar. You can drag and place it on other boxes if you want. So once you're done, just click on Review and make changes on the bottom. Then just confirm by clicking on Apply Changes. After that, the activity will be added to your calendar. And on the top here, you can see it's syncing, which means it's syncing with your Google Calendar since it's connected. And over here, you can see some more options that you can utilize. So for now, let's cancel it and go over to the right side. Here, we'll click on the Agents button to get to the All Agents page. Here, you can see different sections like Critical, High Priority, and more. Each of these categories will display all your agents under that category. You can click on Add right here to add more. So here, you can add more habits, for example, learning. So if you click on it, the same way, you'll be able to customize it according to your preference. Just click on Edit and set it up however you want. And once you're done, just click on Update. And here, if you click on Edit Rules, you'll be able to set the rules for your task. The options here may vary based on which activity you've chosen. So just go through them and set your desired rules that you want to follow for this task. You can also set what happens when there is a scheduling conflict. You can choose from these two options. Then just go through the rest of the options and toggle them on or keep them off as your preference. And once you're finished, just click on Done. So as you can see, it's not yet added. Let's go ahead and click on Update right here, and then go over to the bottom and click on Review and Apply Changes. Then just confirm by clicking on Apply Changes. So as you can see, it has now been added to our calendar. This way, you can schedule your entire week with all the activities that you need to get done in order to block your entire week. And all you need to do is make sure that you follow this schedule. You can also enable this preview mode in order to see how it will work. Also, aside from habits, there are many different categories you can set, so your flexibility is limitless. And that's it. That is exactly how to block your entire week using AI.